If you are promoting any product or service on Instagram, you would want to add a clickable payment link in it. Let's see how it's done in Instagram. First step is to get the clickable PayPal payment link from PayPal account. In PayPal dashboard, you see this paypal.me link. We need to click this section first. You can see here, this is the link we need to copy and add it in Instagram account. This is a clickable link. Anyone with this link can click on the link and make payment to my PayPal account. If you don't have a clickable PayPal link set up yet, you can find video link on how to create clickable PayPal link in description section of this video. Second step is to add the clickable PayPal payment link in Instagram account. In Instagram, we need to go to Instagram Profiles section. Here, we can click the Edit Profile tab on this screen. And again in this Instagram profile screen, we need to click this Add Links section. And since PayPal clickable link is external link, we need to select the first external link option. And here in URL field, we can paste the PayPal link. And in the second field, we can add a suitable title like this, and update the settings. And now, you can see here in Instagram profile, the PayPal link is added as a clickable link. Instagram users and customers can click on this PayPal link and make payments to right here from Instagram account. With this we are done with the video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.